Yeah, so this is the last video for module one, and we've come to the end of the last video for module one. So let's just do some quick recap about what we spoke about. So in this module one, I spoke about about the course. I also said a little bit about myself. I spoke about what Power BI is not and what is Power BI. Like I said, Power BI is basically a data visualization to BI means business intelligence. And we spoke about to install Power BI, navigating Power BI desktop interface. And this video will be closing the module. One of the things I just like to say is that when one is learning something, you have a tendency to have an high energy at the start, and before like you get to the middle, you abandon the course. So make it a responsibility and say, you know what, I've checked out this course. I'm not just going to check these one or two videos and forget about it. I want to put in the work and I'm going to learn all the things I need to learn. And I'm also going to practice. So because practice indeed makes perfect. So this is not just for you to amass knowledge. You want to also be able to transfer these skills into cash. So make sure if you have to go back to any of the videos, you could go back to watch them. One of the things I would say is that when it comes to data tools, Power BI is one of like the easiest data visualization tools that we have there. And a lot of things you would actually have to find out yourself. So you would actually have to like click a bunch of buttons. You're like, oh, so this is what this does. And when you use it often enough, by the time you want to do it the next time, you could almost close your eyes to be able to get the kind of visualization that you want. So I hope that sort of helps you. That is the end of module one. In the next video, we're going to be going into module two. See you in the module two. Bye, ciao.